Hello everyone, in this video we will be drawing this gear structure, okay, as it is related to the mechanical students, okay. So in this video we will be drawing this mechanical gear, okay. So for this to be added, here we will be considering as the outer circle, the middle circle and the inner circle, okay. After that we are going to add this teeth to the we are going to add these teeth to this one, okay. So for that purpose, so we will be going to add this one, okay. So for that means that, so first let us go to this AutoCAD and let us start drawing this outer circle, and we are going to draw the middle circle and inner circle. So here you can see that the outer circle is 136 diameter and the middle circle is 131.5 diameter and the inner circle is 128 diameter, okay. So first of all, let draw all of these circles, okay. So for that we will be going in this AutoCAD software. Let me go in this AutoCAD. So after going in this AutoCAD, we are going to open this one, okay, and next we will be going to draw the gear, okay. So here let us start the drawing, okay. So click on the start drawing option here, let it be loaded. So here you can see the drawing sheet will be appearing, that means the workspace will be appearing, okay. Let it be loaded, completely. So after that it has been loaded. Next we have to give the limits and etc, okay. So for that let us go and give the limits. So before that let us give these units. So I am considering it as UN. So UN, enter. So the units options will be appearing here. So in the units we will be selecting the decimals only, okay. So I am selecting decimal, I am selecting the precision as 0.0 only, okay. Next click on this OK option here. So after clicking on the OK options, we have to give the dimensions also. Click on D, enter. Click on D, enter. Let us add the precision for the dimensions also, okay. So click on this modify option here. So I am selecting the standard one, okay. So here I am taking the precision as 0.0 only, okay. So I am selecting the center. We have to specify the circle's radius as 131.5, okay. Click on the center option here. So here you can see it has been given. So next we will be drawing the another circle. So here 131.5 has given. Next we have to draw this circle, okay. So here you can see it is at 188 mm, okay. So for that, go here in AutoCAD and next click on this circle option, specify the center whichever you want, okay. After specifying the center, we have to give the radius as 128 mm. Click on the center option, okay, and next it has been given, okay. So from here onwards we have to give the line, okay. So for that, go here, click on this line option here. Here we will be giving the teeth, okay. So for that, click on this option here and we can go for this direction. Let me click on this F8 option here, okay. So from here to here, what will be the distance, okay. So for that, go here and let us see in this one, okay. So from here to here, so from here to here, what will be the distance from here to, we have to take certain distance, okay. So from here to here we have to join that one, okay. So and next we have to give the teeth, okay. So for that, so from, I think from here you can give here, okay, up to this inner circle, okay. So go on here and go to escape option here. Okay, after giving that we have to give the line. Okay, so for that click on let me go here and click on this isometric option. In isometric option, here we have selected the ISO 45 degrees only, so click on this one, so select this one, so let us give it as a 45 degrees. Okay, so click on this option and next click on this escape option. Next we have to modify, we have to mirror this one. Okay, so click on this and let us go here in mirror option here. Okay, specify the first point of a mirror line, so here I am specifying this point. Okay, so I am giving here to this point within, so how much the distance will be, so I think it will be of, okay, so let me click on this. Okay, so after clicking on this, so I am clicking on this no option here, so it has been given here, you can clearly see. Okay, next what we have to do is we have to delete this line, and let us delete this line, or let us click on this erase option. We have to do this with some radius. Okay, so for that we have to select on this fillet, and next we have to specify the radius, then click on R, enter. We have to specify the fillet radius, so how much, so as for here now you can see that it is having a fillet of radius of 5. Okay, so here we will be considering the radius as 5 only. Okay, so for that go here, I am selecting the fillet radius as 5, so let us click on this first object and second object. Okay, here it has been given. Okay, so here you can see if you are having any doubts. Okay, since it is moving this side, so we will be taking at here only. Okay, so for that let us move this towards this side. Okay, we are moving this to this side. Okay, so for that click on this and let us select all of this line. Okay, I am selecting this one, click on J, enter. Okay, it has been joined. Let us select this one and let us move this towards this side. Okay, so I am selecting this point and giving it to this side. Okay, so it has been given. So next what we have to do is we have to give this to the other sides also. Okay, so for that let me go here and see. So here you can see it is not crossing the upward circle. Okay, so for that we have to delete this extra ones which are there. Okay, so next for that click on this trim option, click on the select option, so delete these two. Okay, it has been deleted. Okay, click on this escape option. Next what we have to do is we have to do the array. Okay, so click on this polar array and we have to select the objects. So here I am selecting this objects, click on enter object. We have to specify the center point, so here I am specifying the center point. So here you can, so here you can provide number of levels. So for that here I am giving the levels as 150 items. So for that click on the center option here. So here you can see the grid has been given. Okay, so here you can see it has been given. Okay, so since it is giving so much of spacing, so let us reduce these items as 48. Click on enter option here. So here you can see since there is also some more distance, so for that let us go here and give the distance as 45. Click on enter option here. Okay, here you can see some more distance is there, So for that, go to here 44, click on the center option here. Okay, so here you can clearly see, so the gear has been given. Okay, okay, next what we have to do is we have to delete all of these circles. Okay, so for that purpose, next click on this close array option. So the array has been closed. Next we have to select this circle and we have to delete this one. So I am deleting this one. Okay, here it has been deleted. So let us see here. So this has been deleted and we have to delete the inner circle also. That means the middle circle also. So for that, go on. So let me see. So clicking on this circle and click on this delete option here. So here you can see the so it has been given. Okay, so our next step is that we have to give the gear it inside. Okay, so that means the inside section we have to give. Okay, so for that we will be going and selecting this circles. Okay, sorry, these shapes. Okay, so for that here you can see from this distance it is at 49. Okay, so for that we have to take the line from here to here, but before that we have to take the inner circle. Okay, so here you can see the inner circle is having a diameter of 113. So go here and click on this circle option and select this center and give the radius as 113. So here you can see, since it is 130 or not, here you can see it is 113. So here after getting the 113 we have to select a line and we have to, so from here to here what will be the distance. From here to here the distance is 49, I think. To here you have to draw the line at 90 degrees. So click on this 90 degrees line, click on the center, click on escape option here. Okay, next we have to draw this line to this side. So for that, go here and let us select this, what are the angles which we are going to get here. So here you can see it is at 30 degrees. So for that, go here and select this tracking and click on this 30 degrees here. Okay, next select on the line option here. From here select here that as a line option here. So click on escape option here. Okay, here after selecting the escape option, so we have to trim this one and we have to give the fillet for this one. So before that, let us trim this one. So click on this option. So it is not at all going, so I am clicking on this and I am erasing this one. So let us draw this one for that. Okay, so for this let us add the fillet. Okay, so for that, go here, select on fillet and select the enter and what will be the radius. So here from the diagram you can clearly see the radius is 9.5, the fillet radius. So for that, go here and give the fillet radius as 9.5. So that means we are giving it as 9.5. Click on enter. So we have to select these objects. So in the same way, so we have to select this one and this one. The same way we are going to select this one and select this one. Okay, here it has been given. Okay, so next let us go here and trim that one. Okay, so click on this option, click on this. So let us trim. So the trimming part has been completed. We have to join this structure. Okay, so join these parts. Okay, so let me join this one. So after selecting this, let us click on the J enter. So all of it has been joined. Okay, and next is select this object, and we have to give the polar area for this one. Okay, so click on this polar array option. So we have to select this object. So object has been selected. Click on enter, and we have to specify the center point for this one. Okay, so I am selecting the center point. So here you can see we can get this number of items here. Okay, so click on this close array. So here you can see the gears inner parts has been given. Okay, so and the next part is that here you can see these parts have been given. Okay, so next we have to give this inner parts also. Okay, so for that what we'll be doing is we are going to draw this inner circle, and next we are going to draw this outer circles also. Okay, so for that purpose, so here you can see the diameter is 80. Okay, the diameter is 80 for this inner circle. Okay, so for that one I think the radius will be 40, or else let us give directly the diameter circle. So click on this, select center diameter. So I am selecting this and giving the diameter as 80. Click on this enter option here. So here you can see it has been given. Okay, so next let us go here and give the circle with whatever the radius. So outer circle is having the radius. So what will be the outer circle's radius? It is 104. Okay, so for that let us see if we get this as 104 or not. So for that let us go here and give it as a 104. Okay, so here the gears has been given. Okay, the gears has been given. So let us move this to some side. Okay, so for that let us rotate items. Simply we will be going to give that one. Okay, so for that let us go here and see. So in the inner circle has been given. For the outer circles what we have to do is we have to give these small circles. That means these small holes we have to give. So how much the distance will be there? So here you can see the small holes are of 10 diameter. Okay, which are placed at 1 2 3 1 2 3. That means only the 6 have been placed. So which are of 10 diameter, that means 10 mm diameter. So click on this circle option here, and let us give here, and the diameter as 10. Click on the center option here. Okay, so next click on this array option here, and let us select these objects and click on the center option here. We have to specify the center point of an array. So click on this. So here you can see, so here the holes have been given. Okay, so let me select the circles and click on the delete option here. So here you can see, so in this way the gear will be drawn. Okay, okay, so in this way the gear will be built. If you want, you can move this to this side also. Okay, no problem. Okay, so here the all of this has been given, all the small holes will be given, and the inner circle is also been given, and the outer circles with risers, with teeth, etc. have been given. Okay, so in this way the gear will be drawn. Okay, so thank you everyone. We will be seeing the other models also in the next video. Okay, thank you.